So let us see some more problems on the division of two-digit number by a one-digit number. So look at the board. There are four divisions are given here. So what is the first division? So this is the first division. So what is the divisor here? The divisor is 2. And what is the dividend here? The dividend is 36. So now start the division. So how we have to start? So in the same way as that we have explained in the previous divisions. That means how many times, that is when did the number 36 comes in the second table. So let us find when did the number 36 comes in the second table. But you have learned all the tables up to 10 times only. So first take 10 times that number, that is 2 into 10. That is 10 times 2. So 2 times are 20. But the given dividend is 36. And it is greater than 10 times the divisor. It is greater than 20. So if the given dividend is greater than the 10 times the divisor, then start the division by taking each digit separately. So let us take the first digit in the dividend. What is the first digit in the dividend? So 3 is the first digit. So now let us find when did the number 3 comes in the second table. So when did the number 3 comes in the second table? So let us recall the second table. So if you take one time, that is 2 ones are 2. And now take 2 times. If you take 2 times, 2 twos are 4. And now take 3 times. That is 2 threes are, children, how much 2 threes are? 6. So in this way, children, so if we see the second table, we did not get the number 3 here. So the first is 2 and second one is 4 and the third one is 6. But we did not get the number 3 in the second table. Then what we have to do? So if we did not get the number 3 in the second table, then let us see the greater number for 3. The greater number just after 3. What is the greater number just after 3 here? The greater number for 3 is 4. And take its before terms. Take its before number. So what is its before number? This is its before number. So now take 1 time. So if you take 2 times, we will get 4 and the 4 will be more than 3. So that's why we should not take 2 times. So that's why you have to take its before number. What is the before number for 2? So that's why we have to take 1 time. So we have to take 1 time. That is 1 times 2 is 2. So write this one in the quotient above the dividend. So write 1 here and multiply these 2. That is 2 into 1. So 2 into 1, 2 ones are 2. So write the product below the first digit and subtract. So children, 3 minus 2, how much we will get? 3 minus 2, how much we will get? If you subtract 2 from 3, you will get 1. So write 1 below the first digit. And we did not get 1 in the second table. So that's why bring down the second digit. What is the second digit here? 6. So bring down the second digit 6. Now we will find when did the number 16 comes in the second table. When did the number 16 comes in the second table? So let us continue this second table, that is take 4 times, that is 2 4s are 8. And take 5 times. So continue this table until we will get 16. So now take 5 times, that is 2 5s are 10. Now take 6 times, that is 2 6 are 12. Now take 7 times, 2 7s are 14. But we want to 16. So now take 8 times. So if you take 8 times, 2 8s are 16. So we have got the number 16. How many times? So 8 times. So 8 times 2 is 16. That's why we have to take 8 times here. So write this 8 in the quotient beside 1. And multiply this divisor and this 8. So 2 into 8, 2 8s are 16. So write the product below the dividend and subtract. So children, how much is 16 minus 16? How much you will get? You will get 0. So the remainder is 0. What is the answer? The answer is quotient. That is, the answer is 80. So children, so let us see the second one. So in the second division, what is the divisor here? 4 is the divisor. What is the dividend here? 52 is the dividend. So first to find when did the number 52 comes in the fourth table. So when did the number 52 comes in the fourth table? So we have learned up to 10 times only in every table. So first to take 10 times 4, that is 4 tens are. So children, how much 4 tens are? 4 tens are 40. So but the dividend is 52 and it is greater than 10 times. So that is this 52 is greater than 40. So if the given dividend is greater than 10 times, then we have to take each digit separately. So take first digit. So what is the first digit in the dividend? 5 is the first digit. So now let us find when did the number 5 comes in the fourth table. So now let us recall the fourth table, that is 4 ones are 4. But we want 5. So take 2 times, that is 4 twos are 8. And take 3 times, so 4 threes are 12. So children, so in the fourth table, we did not get the number 5 here. So we did not get the number 5 in the fourth table. Then what we have to do? So we have to take its lesser number in the table. What is its lesser number? So the number which is less than 5. So what is the number less than 5 here? So the number less than 5 is 4. So take this one. That is take 1 time. So take 1 time. If you take 2 times, it will become 8 and 8 is more than 5. So that's why we should not take more number. Every time we have to take lesser number. So the lesser number for 5 is 4. That's why we have to take 1 time. So write this 1 in the quotient above the dividend. And now multiply this 4 and 1. That is 4 ones are 4. So write 4 below the first digit and subtract. So if you subtract 4 from 5, these are the 5 fingers. And if we close 4 fingers, so children, how many fingers are there? There are remaining only 1 finger. So the answer is 1. And we did not get 1 in the fourth table. So that's why I bring down the second digit. What is the second digit in 52? So 2 is the second digit. So bring down the second digit to 2. That is, now it will become 12. So let us find, so when did the number 12 comes in the fourth table? So let us see the fourth table. When did the number come 12 here? So the 12 comes when we take 3 times. The number 12 will comes when we take 3 times. So that's why write this 3 in the quotient beside 1. And now multiply this 4 and 3. Write the product below 12. That is 4 threes are 12. Write the product below 12 and subtract these 2 numbers. That is 12 minus 12. Children, how much 12 minus 12? 0. So 12 minus 12 is 0. The remainder is 0. And what is the answer here? The answer is the quotient. What is the quotient? 13. So 13 is the answer. Children, so see the third problem here. So what is the third problem? That is, so 65 divided by 5. We have to divide 65 by 5. So what is the divisor here? The divisor is 5. What is the dividend? 65 is the dividend. So the middle number is the dividend. The left side number is the divisor. So now let us find when did the number 65 comes in the fifth table. So when did the number 65 comes in the fifth table? So children, so all tables we have learnt up to only 10 times. So first we take 10 times 5. That is 5 tens. So 5 tens are, children, how much 5 tens are? 50. So 5 tens are 50. But the dividend is 65 and it is more than 50. So the given dividend is more than 10 times the divisor. So if the given dividend is more than 10 times, then we have to take each digit separately in the dividend. So take first digit. So let us take first digit. What is the first digit here? 6 is the first digit. So now let us find when did the number 6 comes in the fifth table. So let us see, that is, let us recall the fifth table. that is 5 ones are 5. And now take 2 times, that is 5 twos are 10. And take 3 times, that is 5 threes are 15. So children, in this way, we did not get the number 6 in the fifth table. The first number is 5, second number is 10, and third number is 15, but we did not get the number 6 in the fifth table. So if we did not get the number 6 in the fifth table, then we have to take it's the number which is less than 6. So what is the number less than 6 here? So what is the number less than 6 here? The number less than 6 is 5. So we have to take how many times? We have to take 1 time. If we take 2 times, it will become 10, and the 10 is more than 6, then it is not possible to subtract. So that's why we have to take the number less than 6. The number less than 6 here is 5. So we have to take how many times to get 5? 1 time. So write this one in the quotient above the dividend. So now multiply these two numbers 5 into 1. 5 ones are 5. So write the product below the first digit and subtract the 2 digits. So if you subtract 5 from 6, how much you will get? If you subtract 5 from 6, you will get 1. So write 1 below the first digit. And we did not get the 1 in the fifth table. So that's why bring down the second digit. What is the second digit here? 5 is the second digit. So bring down the second digit, that is 5. So becomes 15. So now let us find when did the number 15 comes in the fifth table. So look at the fifth table. When did the number 15 comes? The number will 15 comes if we take 3 times. So we have to take 3 times, then we will get 15. So write this 3 in the quotient beside 1. So write 3 here. And multiply this 5 and 3. So that is 5 into 3. 5 3s are 15. So write the product below 15 and subtract. So 15 minus 15, 0. So if you subtract any number from the same number itself, we will get 0. So the remainder is 0. And what is the answer here? The answer is the quotient, that is 13 is the answer. So now look at the fourth division. So in this division, what is the divisor here? 6 is the divisor. That means the number which is present in the left side bracket is called a divisor. And what is the dividend here? So the number which is written at the middle, the 72 is called dividend. So now let us find when did the number 72 comes in the sixth table. So all the tables we have learned up to only 10 times. So first to find 10 times 6. That is 6 into 10. Children, how much 6 into 10? 6 tens are 60. 6 tens are 60. But the dividend is 72. And this 72 is more than 60. So if the dividend is more than 10 times the divisor, then take each digit separately in the dividend. So first start division by taking first digit. So take first digit in the dividend. What is the first digit in the dividend? 7 is the first digit. So now let us find when did the number 7 comes in the sixth table. When did the number come 6 in the 7 in the sixth table? So let us see the sixth table. That is take 1 time, that is 6 ones are 6. And now take 2 times, that is 6 twos are, tell me how much 6 twos are? So 6 twos are 12. And now take 3 times, that is 6 threes are 18. So in this way, children, so in the sixth table, we did not get the number 7. So if we did not get the number 7 in the sixth table, what we have to take? So that means we have to take the number less than 7 in the table. What is the number less than 7? The number less than 7 is 6. So if we take 2 times, it becomes 12 and it is more than 7. So we should not take more number, greater number. Always we have to take smaller number. So the smaller number of 7 in this table is 6 is the smaller number. So take this 6 That means how many times we have to take to get 6? We have to take 1 time. So 1 times 6 is 6. So write 1 in the quotient. So write 1 in the quotient above the dividend. Now multiply these two. That is 6 into 1. 6 ones are 6. So write 6 below the first digit and subtract. So if you subtract 6 from 7, how much you will get? So if you subtract 6 from 7 numbers, you will get 1. So write 1 below the first digit. And we did not get the number 1 in the 6th table. So that's why bring down the second digit. What is the second digit here? 2 is the second digit. So bring down this 2. So bring down this 2. So becomes 12. So that becomes 12. Now let us find when did the number 12 comes in the 6th table. So this is the 6th table. When did the number come 12? If you take 2 times. So if you take 2 times 6, we will get the number 12. So write this 2 in the quotient beside 1. So write this 2 in the quotient beside 1. And now multiply this 6 and 2. So if you multiply 6 and 2, that is 6 2s are. 6 2s are how much? 6 2s are 12. So write the product below 12 and subtract. That is 12 minus 12, 0. So the remainder is 0 and the answer is 12. So the answer is the quotient 12. So children, in this way, we can do the divisions of 2-digit number by a 1-digit number. So there are some more problems in this exercise and practice those problems at your home as a homework, and that will be given in your PDF. So children,